Welcome back to the channel. It is 2024 and this is our first job of the year. It's a 3 by 2.5 metre log cabin, apex roof from our friends at Northern Log Cabins. We've got one day to do this. Question is, can we?
You're never satisfied with what you have. Every day's an off day if you don't get your way. Scream more, more, more until your throat gets sore. Jump on the direct express, let's make it right. Don't be a spoiled brat, baby. Get out tonight.
Alright, obviously we didn't get it finished yesterday, which is annoying, but it is what it is. We were a sheet of OSB short, meaning that we didn't have enough for the roof, and to be fair, it was a long shot getting it done yesterday. But anyway, I'll give you a little walk around, show you what we've done, where we're at. So, 44mm logs, we've got, customer is painting it, I believe, is it grey, Mark?
Oh, it's
Grey,
yeah.
dark grey and light grey he's going for.
Yeah.
We've got the gable end detail here. Mark drew on that, so that's going to need sanding off in a sec, but that's fine. 90mm fascia boards. I'll show you what it's on. So we've got a ground screw that goes in the ground, so we've got no concrete, no mess, in and out in a day. They screw these down, they're 1.2 m upwards, so you can have 1.2 m, 1.5 m, 2 meters, and they can extend them. Then we've got a rubber pad here that stops cold bridging from the steel to the base. Then we've got a black damp proof membrane sheet, 11mm OSB, treated timber bits all sat on, and then obviously the building. Have a little look around here. We've got our, again, 90mm fascia board there. We've got a 2-inch overhang on our shingles there that allows the water to collect in the guttering, which is going on very soon. Customer doing it himself. Have a little walk around here, pop the reds inside. We've got 18mm double glazing. This window tilts and opens inwards. The doors completely adjustable. Yeah, so we've got an adjustment point there, so they can go up and down. They can go in and out with this one, and they can go that way, left and right with that one. But I have got a full video of how to adjust your summer house doors on YouTube if you want to go and look at it. If you've got one and you're looking for a solution. So anyway, open the door, pop our heads in. The light is going to go a little bit dim. Fine. 28mm floorboards in there. Jumping mark. Go back as far as you can. Don't want to stand on the floor because it's brand new. There we go. So yeah, it's big opening windows, lots of light. Big opening windows, big opening window. Yeah, that's lovely. Set double doors. We've got some nice thick roof beams in there, 90mm roof boards, 25mm of roof insulation, 11mm OSB, felt throw ice and water shield, and then roofing shingles. This will be a building that's probably going to last 30 years if looked after very well, painted and treated and kept up with maintenance wise. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this little short video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of this, and if you did enjoy this short video and prefer it to a longer one, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one.